Welcome. In front of me is an Honor X8C, and today I'll show you how you can boot this device into safe mode. To get started, you will want to hold your power button and ignore Gemini. You can see that at the back we have our boot options, so we're going to just click somewhere on, like right here, to get rid of Gemini, select power off, and when the device turns off, hold power button and the volume up at the same time. And you're going to hold it till you see the Honor logo on the screen, at which point you want to let go of the power button but keep holding volume up till the screen turns black. Once that happens, the device will boot into recovery mode, and here simply select safe mode and wait for the device to boot back up. Now in safe mode, only the pre-installed applications will function, so any app that you have installed yourself will be temporarily disabled and neither you nor the device can start it up. Now once you're done needing safe mode, you can just simply reboot the device to go back to the normal mode where all the applications will work as they did before. And you can see we are now in safe mode. So, like I mentioned before, to leave this mode, you just hold the power button again and again, ignore Gemini, and simply select restart. And when the device boots back up, it automatically goes back to normal mode. So with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.